Okay, so let's do one more verification right here. And in this case, we're told that tangent of x plus cotangent of x is equal to secant of x times cosecant of x. Well, generally speaking, one principle that we can use is that anytime that we have a sum or difference with trigonometric functions, we can rewrite it so that we have a product of two trigonometric functions by rewriting those expressions and then joining them together with common denominators. And I will note that tangent of x can be rewritten in the form sine of x over cosine of x, while cotangent of x can be written as cosine of x divided by the sine of x. And we want to show how that would be equal to secant of x times cosecant of x. So what do we have to do? Well, because we have two terms that are being added, we have to join them over a common denominator. Well, that common denominator has to be cosine of x times sine of x. So we have to multiply in the missing piece. So to get that missing piece in this first fraction, sine of x times sine of x, that has to be multiplied in the numerator. So we have to actually take the square of the sine of x for the first term, and then we have to multiply an extra cosine of x into the numerator denominator of this second fraction. So that's going to give us cosine squared x in the numerator. Again, our goal is to show that this is equal to secant of x times cosecant of x. Well, by the Pythagorean identity, sine squared x plus cosine squared x. Notice so far we've done one identity, and now we've done some algebra. Now we're back to our identities. We've got 1 over the product cosine of x times sine of x. And now we're going to try and show that that's equal to secant of x times the cosecant of x. Well, actually that's not too bad, right? Because 1 over cosine of x times sine of x is the same thing as 1 over cosine of x times 1 over the sine of x. And by our reciprocal identities, well, there it is, right? We've got secant of x times cosecant of x, and 1 over cosine of x is secant of x, and to be sure, sine of it, 1 over sine of x is cosecant of x. Well, that verifies it, right? There we are. All right, well, there's a lot of them for you to try out, so good luck, and write your QED when you're done, because there we go. We're done. Good luck.